Hello everyone, this is Amritavarshini. In this video, we are going to learn about combinational circuits using Verilog. First of all, what is Verilog? Verilog is not a programming language. Verilog is a hardware description language used to model electronic systems, which means it is a textual way to represent circuits. Now, let's move on to the Verilog syntax. The basic building block in Verilog is the module. We begin with the keyword module followed by the name that describes the circuit. Inside the parenthesis, we define inputs and outputs. Next, we need to declare input ports and output ports. This is where we define the direction of the signal in our circuit. Next, in combinational circuits, we assign statements in this form, starting with the keyword assign followed by the output of the logic expression. This can be a wire or any combinational signal. Next, on the right hand side is the combinational logic expression. It can be consist of operations like AND or XOR or any arithmetic operations. In sequential circuits, to assign value always is a keyword followed by a pause edge clock or neg edge reset. This is a sensitivity list which defines when block is triggered. Next, in Verilog applications, there are two types, combinational circuits and sequential circuits. The examples of combinational circuits are adders, multiplexers, encoders, etc. The examples of sequential circuits are flip-flops, counters, etc. Now, let's see the differences between the combinational and sequential circuits. Whereas in combinational circuits, output only depends on the present input, whereas in sequential circuits, output depends on present input and past output. In combinational circuit, memory element is absent, whereas in sequential circuit, memory element is present. In combinational circuit, no clock signal is applied, whereas in sequential circuit, clock signal is required. The examples of half adder, full adder, and multiplexer, and the sequential circuit examples are flip-flop, counters, and registers. Here are the diagrams of combinational circuit and sequential circuit. Now, let us learn about combinational circuits. Combinational circuits are logic circuits whose output depends only on the current input values, not any past input or output. They are constructed using logic gates like AND, OR, NOT, XOR, etc. Now, let us take a full adder as an example. Here we have full adder truth table where A, B and Cin are the input pins and sum and Cout is the output pins. First of all, we need to declare input and output pins. Here we have declared A, B, Cin as an input pins and sum and Cout as an output pins. Next, we need to assign statements for sum and Cout. As we all know the equations of sum and Cout for full adder equations. Next, in module declaration, we can also define the size of bit. As we know that a full adder is a 4-bit binary, so we can write it as a 3:0 for input pins and also for output pins. After that, we can also declare intermediate carry signals where we declare the internal connections. So that's all of combinational circuits in Verilog. Thank you for watching this video.